Welcome to the unboxing of my new camera. No prizes for guessing where it came from. Right, let's have a look and see exactly what we've got. Manual, lens hood, battery, AV lead, ferrite core for the power supply cable, remote control, mains lead for the power supply, battery for the remote control, HDMI cable, power supply itself. Here we now have the camera, the battery and the lens hood. Here is the camera. Let's now fit the lens hood and battery. As you can see, here it now all is ready to go. It will need some setting up, but to make life easier I'm going to mount it on a tripod. I'm now going to open the side monitor and insert the memory card. The camera has two slots for two different memory cards, different sizes, different capacities, your choice. Open up the little door here, put the memory card in, press it in, shut the door, ready to go. The camera battery may need charging from new, in which case you turn it round, open this little flap here, it goes in just there, and as you can hear, switch power on, away it goes. As you can see, up comes a menu for various functions. This one starts off showing that the time and date should be set, so I shall do that and come back. Here we are, the camera is now set up but the battery is still charging. It has a whole host of features which you can find on other videos and other demonstrations. That's not what this video is here for, but I will say the camera is very good. One of the things I like about this camera is this ring here. It's not just decorative. Let me show you what it can do. We should move the camera around. I've got it set up for zoom. It's gone out of focus because it literally is too close to the wall. I'll turn it back again the other way. If you see this switch here, it says focus or zoom. That alters the option of what the ring can do, be it focus or zoom. If you're filming outside and the sun is too bright and you can't see the display screen, it has a miniature version here. The other thing to note with this camera is that it can see in almost darkness. If you look at the picture, the camera on the left is a normal video camera and it can't see much at all, but the camera on the right has got a really good picture. Let's have some more lights. The picture on the right you can now see has got well lit up, whereas the picture on the left you just about see something.